Finding the perfect purple shampoo can be a game changer for keeping blonde and gray hair looking fresh and vibrant. Purple shampoo helps neutralize unwanted brassy and yellow tones, giving your hair that just left the salon look. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 purple shampoos of this year to help you make the best choice for maintaining your beautiful blonde or gray hair. Let's dive in and discover which product might be your new favorite. Kicking off our list at number 1, Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo. The Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo is formulated to tackle unwanted yellow tones and maintain the vibrancy of blonde and gray hair. This shampoo uses a combination of purple pigments and conditioning ingredients to keep your hair looking its best. Key features: Redken Color Extend Blondage contains a potent blend of violet pigments designed to neutralize brassy undertones effectively. It also includes a triple acid protein complex, which strengthens and fortifies hair while enhancing its overall shine. The shampoo is sulfate-free, making it gentle on the hair and scalp. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is perfect for preserving the cool tones in blonde and gray hair. Apply it to wet hair, lather thoroughly, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Regular use will help maintain a bright, cool color and improve hair health by strengthening each strand. Usability: the Redken Color Extend Blondage Shampoo delivers a rich, creamy lather that is easy to apply and rinse out. Its nourishing formula leaves hair feeling clean, smooth, and manageable, making it suitable for both daily and weekly use. Durability: the shampoo maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life, thanks to its stable purple pigments and conditioning agents. Proper storage in a cool, dry place ensures that the product retains its quality and performance. In the second spot, we have Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo. The Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo is a well-known product for keeping blonde and gray hair looking vibrant and free from brassiness. Its purple formula is designed to enhance shine and neutralize yellow tones. Key features: this shampoo features violet pigments that effectively counteract brassy tones while adding a subtle shine to the hair. It is enriched with conditioning agents to enhance softness and manageability. The formula is free from sulfates, ensuring gentle care for your hair. Benefits and usage: ideal for maintaining bright, cool tones in blonde and gray hair, Shimmer Lights Shampoo helps reduce unwanted warmth. Use it once or twice a week, applying to wet hair, lathering, and leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Usability: the shampoo's creamy texture lathers well and rinses out easily, leaving hair feeling clean and refreshed. Its conditioning properties help maintain softness and manageability, making it a great choice for regular use. Durability: the Clairol Shimmer Lights Shampoo remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps preserve the stability of its purple pigments and conditioning ingredients, ensuring reliable performance with each use. Coming in at number 3 is the Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo. Matrix Total Results So Silver Shampoo is designed to enhance silver and blonde hair by neutralizing brassy tones and adding a touch of brilliance. Its potent purple formula helps maintain a cool, vibrant color. Key features: this shampoo contains a concentrated dose of purple pigments to combat yellowing and brassiness. It also includes moisturizing agents to keep hair hydrated and soft. The sulfate-free formula ensures a gentle cleansing experience without stripping hair of moisture. Benefits and usage: the Total Results So Silver Shampoo is perfect for keeping blonde and gray hair looking fresh and vibrant. Apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Regular use will help maintain a bright, cool tone and improve overall hair health. Usability: the shampoo produces a rich, foamy lather that cleanses effectively while toning the hair. Its moisturizing properties ensure that hair remains soft and manageable, making it suitable for frequent use. Durability: the product maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage preserves the stability of the purple pigments and moisturizing agents, providing consistent results with each use. Taking our 4th spot is Kerastase Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo. The Kerastase Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo is a premium purple shampoo designed to neutralize unwanted yellow tones in blonde and gray hair while providing deep hydration and nourishment. Key features: this shampoo features ultraviolet pigments that effectively counteract brassiness and enhance cool tones. It is enriched with nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and edelweiss flower extract to hydrate and protect hair from environmental damage. Benefits and usage: ideal for those seeking both toning and hydration, the Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo helps maintain vibrant blonde and gray hair. Apply to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Use regularly for the best results and to keep hair looking its best. Usability: the shampoo offers a luxurious, creamy lather that rinses out easily. Its hydrating formula leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable, making it suitable for both daily and occasional use. Durability: the Kerastase Bain Ultraviolet Shampoo retains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps preserve the stability of its purple pigments and nourishing ingredients, ensuring reliable performance over time. And finally, at number 5, we have Amika Buster Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. The Amika Buster Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo is designed to brighten and tone blonde and gray hair by neutralizing brassy tones. Its vibrant purple formula helps maintain a cool, fresh color. Key features: this shampoo contains intense violet pigments to combat unwanted yellow tones effectively. It is also enriched with nourishing ingredients like sea buckthorn berry, which provides essential vitamins and fatty acids to keep hair healthy and shiny. Benefits and usage: perfect for combating brassy tones and enhancing cool blonde shades. The Buster Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo should be applied to wet hair, lathered, and left on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Regular use will help maintain a bright, cool tone and improve hair health. Usability: the shampoo's rich lather cleanses thoroughly while toning the hair, and its nourishing properties leave hair soft and manageable. Its pleasant fragrance adds to the overall experience, making it a favorite for many users. Durability: the product remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps preserve the stability of its purple pigments and nourishing agents, ensuring consistent results with each use. Choosing the right purple shampoo can significantly enhance the look of your blonde or gray hair, keeping it vibrant and free from unwanted brassiness. Each of these top 5 shampoos offers unique benefits to meet different needs and preferences. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more haircare tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep your hair looking fabulous.